Alright, taking a look at the inside of this GEO Pro by Rockwood. When you first come in, when you look to the right, you're going to have your TV here. Your TV is a 12-volt system, so it will work directly off of the battery. You can see that it uses just a standard cigarette plug outlet. Also up here, you do have your antenna booster button. So if the green light's on, you're going to be using the roof antenna. If the green light's off, you're using that cable connection that I showed you. If you look at the side of the TV, it's also a DVD player. And there is a 12-volt switch on the back if you can't get it to turn on. Make sure that switch is turned on. Above your TV, you have your Wi-Fi Ranger on-off switch, as well as your password and control panel number. And then your radio is just a 2-zone radio, so you can control inside and outside. It's also a Bluetooth system and AM/FM. Now looking to the left of the doorway, we have our control panel here. So first off, you have your tank gauges, so your battery, fresh water, black and gray tanks. All you're going to do is you push and hold them. Then you have your water pump switch, your gas water heater switch, electric water heater switch. On the bottom left of this is your light switches. These are momentary switches, so whenever you push them, they're going to pop right back out. So you have your interior, your porch light, your awning light, and your step light. If you look below the control panel, you can see the sticker here. This is for the Lippert app that you can put on your phone and control this panel from your phone now. Right beside your sink here, you have a GFCI outlet. Your sink is just a single basin sink. And then your range, you have 2 switches on it on your hood. The first one's just a light switch, and the second one's going to be a fan. Your range itself, if you look behind it, you have your knife holder. Then your bifold range cover just flips up. On the range itself, you have a switch right here. Up turns on all your knob lights. Down turns on your oven light. To light your oven, you're just going to turn this to high and turn your sparker. Right above your range on the wall here, you have your solar controller. So that shows you what your battery percentage is, how many amps you have, the draw. And then to the right of all that, you have your 12-volt refrigerator by Magic Chef and your 110 Magic Chef microwave. Below your refrigerator is where your converter panel is. So it's just standard 110 breakers and 12-volt fuses. And then right of that, you have your carbon monoxide and LP detector. And then the cabinets over here are just storage cabinets. The shelves do come out. All you do is you lift up on them. If you wanted to hang shirts or pants or whatever else. Your bunk mattresses, you do have a ladder for your top bunk to get up there. All of the lights in your bunks are self-controlled, so it's a center push button light. And then each of your bunk has USB outlets as well. In the bathroom, first off, you have a Max Air fan. It's a 4-speed fan. And then in your shower, you have what's called a shower miser. So what the shower miser does is it is a water-saving system. When your lever over here is in the down position, water is going to flow through your shower head. When you flip that to the up position, water is going to recirculate itself back to your fresh water tank. That way you're just conserving water. If you look up higher, this is the sink for your bathroom as well. It's integrated into your shower with a quick connect faucet. And then your stool, your toilet, is a Dometic 300 series foot flush toilet. Alright, coming back out this way here. This wall is going to be your furnace controls. So all you do is you slide this over to start your furnace. And to set your temperature. Your dinette does lay down into a bed. You would just lift your tabletop off and remove your legs, and the tabletop will set all the way down on these black blocks right here. When you travel, you do want that in the down position, that way it's not bouncing around and damaging anything. Your AC is a self-contained AC unit, so all you do to turn your AC on and off is turn the knob until it says either high cool or low cool. You do have storage underneath your dinette seats. And here's all your goodies. So you have your tire pressure monitoring system, as well as your water filter, toilet paper holder, and a towel bar. Moving to the bed area, you do have a collapsible outlet center. So you just push the red button in and it collapses down. You put it up, you push it down, and just lift it straight up. It does have 2 USB ports on it. And if you look underneath the bed right here, you'll have your inverter control center. So if your green light's on, that means your inverter is on. If you are plugged into power, the automatic transfer switch is preventing it from overcharging your system.